Slow down on the link building. Remember, it's a website's profit that determines the sales price, not the revenue. So slow down on the link building and maybe just go for cheap outreach links during this point in time. We've taken the website, we audited it, we did the on-site SEO, we built the backlinks, got all the #1 rankings, monetized the hell out of it. Now let's talk about how to go for that flip, how to make as much money as possible. Here's your to-do list. So we're going to start with removing yourself from everything. Try to take your SOP and make it as good as possible. You want to be able to truthfully tell the new buyer that they don't have to do shit when they buy the website. Investors who are buying up the website these days love this kind of stuff. And this is a nice thing to do. Queue up the next 6 months of content so the new buyer just knows they really don't have to do anything for quite some time. Then slow down on the link building. Remember, it's a website's profit that determines the sales price, not the revenue. So slow down on the link building and maybe just go for cheap outreach links during this point in time. Utilize your email list to boost profit. So you built that email list, email out a little bit more, try to get more profit at the end. And then lastly, this is the most important, figure out the best time to sell. So what I like to do is I like to use Google Trends, and I'll toss in a niche that's kind of similar to mine that's had its lifetime before, and I'll try to predict how long I could have. So we tossed in a similar niche. Let's imagine you're in the hoverboard niche before they went out of style. You would throw in segways. So this other niche had a 3-year rise before it started to go out of style, and ours was about 2.5. So we had a little bit of time, but it was about time to start packing things up. And then after that, I recommend making a table like this. So what this is going to do, it's going to try to predict your sales price if things keep going the same based on a 12-month average. So it basically looks at the last 12 months, figure out the average profit, and then you multiply it by a multiplier to figure out how much it'll sell for.